Determine if the lines are perpendicular, parallel, or neither by determining the slope of each line. So what we have to do is we have to find the slope of each line. You just can't look at it and say, oh, they look parallel. So you actually need the math behind it to justify your answer. So let's find the slope of the first line. We're going to find the slope of line M. And our definition of slope is rise over run. So we're just going to use the two dots that's given. And we're going to start on the left dot. And we're going to figure out how much we need to rise. And then we'll figure out how much we have to run. So rise is going up and down. Run is going left and right. So we went up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had up 4. And then we had to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over 4 reduces to 1. So the slope of line M is 1. Now let's find the slope of the second line. Find the slope of N. Same thing. Rise over run. So our rise, so this time we're going down, and then our run is still going to the right. So here I went down 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went down 4, so that'll be a negative, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be a negative 4 over 4, which becomes negative 1. So now what we need to do is we need to compare these two slopes. We want to compare this number with this number. Parallel lines have the same slope, so we know it's not parallel, because 1 is not the same as negative 1. So it could be neither, or it could be perpendicular. So for perpendicular, they have to have opposite signs. So we have that. We have 1 positive and we have 1 negative. And now they have to be reciprocals of each other. And so the reciprocal of 1 is just 1. Because 1 over 1, if you flip it, stays 1 over 1. So they are reciprocals of each other. So these two lines are perpendicular. On the test, if you don't have this work, you're not going to get the credit. You can't just look at it and say, oh, they're perpendicular. You have to have the math to show it. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing for number 4. We have our two lines. So let's find the slope of the first one. Find the slope of line Q. So we have our rise and we have our run. So I'm going to go up here. And then my run will be here, going left to right. So here it looks like I go up 2, over 3. Now let's find the slope of P. Starting on the left dot, we go up. Now we have to run to the right dot. We have to go to the right. So here I went up 2. Here I went over 3. Up 2, over 3. So now as you look at these, they are identical, they're the same. So two lines that have the same slope are parallel.